Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama ba Sandy Home Recipe. Today ni kan a show a video. Remember to subscribe. Now wa share. Now wa like. When me notification bell no. Say the video bia beto a won sabeka. And we say be Christmas cookies. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Oko the description box na. Ingredients ni na eden. Ewo ho. Yes, start it. You may use 200-gram butter. Now what beat? With the 3 tablespoons sugar, I can no beat. 1 egg, any vanilla. Now they can rock us well beat. Now the 1.5 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons powder milk, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Now I mix it enough for me dough. O mix it and what to be at on chain. With the 2 teaspoons unsweetened cocoa powder, egg no mixing that together. Why we no wako rolly, we are no to chat. What on a round run at that turn chain. Sana bear back on so sir. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. Ofa chocolate ni bia, no afa vanilla ni bi, no aka bomu, no abone round. Design bia pesa we no betimi aye. What the biscuit cutter akate anase biscuit stamp. Se woni sa biscuit cutter we ya. Wo tamba akona do to wonse ma na do nsa ye den emia so na ye flat. Sa na be ye ni nyina. Woni sa we bia betimi e de awoli do no wi a. Na wo the biscuit cutter e den akate no. Design a wo pe no eno na wo be ye. We baking 180 degrees for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, no waji. No amanajo ansa na wa serve. Wo rubber betima package e den ewo mu. Now this our Christmas cookies. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.